I recently got into NetApp, one of the premier companies belonging to USA, and it is basically involved with storage devices and softwares. And companies like Google, IBM, Microsoft, these are the main customers, because we manage and we store data at a micro level for these companies. And NetApp is generally not a household name because we are not related to the customers directly. So this is one of the companies, and besides this, NetApp as a company has got the award of being one of the finest company to work for. So it's majorly known for its great work culture and things like that. I'll be getting into the processes that I went through during the placement season at IIT Roorkee during 2012. The day of my interview and the whole process was 3rd December 2012, and it basically started off with the eligibility criteria for the three branches, the software type branches like CS, EC, and electrical. The cutoff, the CGPA cutoff was 7.5, and the first step in the recruitment process was the written test. It consisted of 4 parts. It was a 1.5 hours of written test, and the first part was the mathematical aptitude. And if you are preparing for NetApp as a prospective company for yourself, then a good sound CAT preparation would definitely be helping you. The second part was LR, the logical reasoning. It had some very simple questions and situation based questions. So this was not a very tough thing to handle. The third part was the coding part, and it was common for all the profiles that it offered. And the final part was the network and communication. This was the most difficult part for me as a candidate, because I am from electrical branch, and I was not even introduced to this topic during my course there. Now the next step was now for the company offered us 3 basic profiles. The first one was the strategic profile, which was basically computational in nature. The second one was developer profile, and for this we need to prepare for coding part. The third was the quality assessment, QA profile, and in this thing, if you are applying for this thing, then you need to prepare test cases for the softwares already developed by the developers. Now I personally applied for the two profiles, the strategic profile and the QA profile. And for the strategic people, the people who had applied for the strategic profile, they had to undergo another test, a case study test, which was conducted for 10 minutes. And the case study for me was to estimate the number of petrol pumps that are there in the country. Besides this, after the shortlist came for the written test, we were called for the interviews, and for me there were three interview sessions. The first one was for QA, and in this I was asked about the test cases and to prepare test cases for some very simple common day problems. Like the first one was to estimate the quality, to undertake the quality assessment of a pen. So we had a discussion of about 30 to 35 minutes on this topic. After this, I was given the second case about testing the quality of a lift. Now this was another good thing, and we discussed on it about for 30 minutes. So in totality, my interview went beyond 1 hour for this particular session. Then came the second interview for me, which was the strategic interview. And the interviewer asked me about some personal details, the resume based details. They were probably testing me on my commitment in the activity that I have already went through in my life, in my graduation in particular. And besides this, he also gave me a caselet in which a table full of data about a company and its basic and many of its prospective clients were there. And I needed to point out the main clients that we should be focusing on as a company, as an IT company. Now the third interview was the HR and the personal interview. It basically tested me about the suitability of mine as a candidate for the NetApp, for the company. they basically asked me about the background, the priorities, the career objective, and maybe the long term planning. So this was the whole interview process. This was the whole interview process. Besides this, the some of the tips and technique that I can give you as a successful candidate in cracking the interview is to maybe the CAT preparation would help you, and maybe the communication. Your communication would definitely be playing a major part, and a thorough preparation for your interview would definitely help. And maybe good luck.